Here's a short video regarding the RPM limiter, or sometimes called the Rev limiter, which is this right here. Now, it's usually underneath the motor down there, but mine is missing, as you can tell. Someone must have took it out before they sold it to me, and I didn't see any videos on the wiring. So you see there's one wire down there, and it tees off, wires off, and the other one is right here, if you can see it right there, and it kind of runs back there and it goes back to the motor starter generator. Okay, so you got one right there, and it tees off right down there. It comes like that and it goes underneath there. It's the only wire that's hanging from there. So instead of bolting it underneath the motor, I took a suggestion from another YouTuber. I put it on the frame so I have easy access to it. Alright, I hope this is something that can help you out as well. I didn't see any videos on this, so I'm glad I was able to get bits and pieces from different videos and finally figured it out with the help of other YouTubers. Thanks.